channel. So how you guys are doing? I hope everybody is good and safe. Guys, today's video, I thought of like uploading some video for you, but today I have a lunch outing and I thought of like reviewing the food there. I have reviewed so many products on my channel, and this is the first time I'm gonna review food kind of thing. So let's get started with no further ado. And guys, if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and also don't forget to click the bell icon nearby so that you guys will be instantly notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. So let's get started with no further ado. So guys, for the lunch we are going to a hotel called as Shami Banana Leaf Delights. So I heard the biryani is one of the best biryani in Singapore. My friend actually, she suggested me, and today I am going with her. So we are inside the bus, and you guys can see here Chinese New Year decorations is all around the road. So since it's daytime, we are not like getting the proper view of it because it's all light, and I need to come at night to show you guys the proper view. But yeah, so from here it takes around like 2 to 3 stops, and actually it's a walkable distance one, but then daytime and on these high sunny days it's actually difficult to walk, so we thought of like taking the bus, and we finally reached. And here this area we have a lot of Indian restaurants where they provide like rice, dosa and all that. So here finally we are just outside the Shami Banana Leaf Delights. So I'm gonna try the biryani there. So I actually got a lot of good review about it, so let me try, and I'll just give you guys the review about it. And here the food, it was like kept this way, and if we want to like order anything, we can go and show them, like like my friend is showing right now. So the same way we can just show them like I want this or that, anything, and finally the bill will come. And so I think the biryani set we get for some $8, $8 to $9. So you have biryani and a big chicken piece and also a curry. Along with it you also have this veggie and papadam and all that. So this is what I ordered that day, a biryani set along with fish cutlet and also ice Milo. So ice Milo will be everywhere wherever I go because I just love it. So this is how it is, the hotel, where you can just sit and eat. 1 meter distancing is still going on, and yeah. So that's how it is. My friend, she is enjoying the food, and I'm also enjoying the food here. So the food is actually good. It was very very tasty. So that's the ice Milo one. I love to have some ice Milo. So this is my recent favorite. After coming Singapore, I've just become the fan of it. So wherever I go, I make sure that I buy some ice Milo, and even when I'm at home I have lot and lot of Milo. Now coming back with the review of this food, I have to tell you guys the biryani was super tasty, especially the curry which they provide with the biryani, chicken curry. It was very nice. The way they have prepared it, it was very very tasty. I mean, the masala was very mild, and the chicken piece was super super soft, which I really liked it because the piece was very big. For a single person it's actually difficult to eat. It's a very big one, and the taste was fabulous, and also the veg, whatever we want, we can pick from there. It just comes with a set, and for $8 I think this is fabulous because the quantity wise it's like 2 person can eat. So you guys can see here the chicken piece is very big, and also the rice and the masala, everything is so mild. And they also provide us this papadam, and pickle they give us. And about the fish cutlet, I have to tell you, I think it's made of mashed potatoes and fish, because once you're like eating it, you could get that flavor of fish onto your mouth. So if you are a fish lover, you will definitely enjoy it. But anyways, I mistook that as mutton kolam because I thought it's mutton cutlet, and but it was fish because I'm not a big fan of fish. But then the taste was okay. I ate it. It was very nice. So I think my overall rating for this hotel will be definitely 100% because recent days I think this is the best one which I had. And anyways, thanks to my friend as well for suggesting this hotel and this food for me. Okay, so these are some of the Chinese New Year decorations on the way way, so we just walked around to digest the food and also to see the Chinese New Year decorations, because obviously it comes once in a year. So guys, after a good biryani, I reached home. It was so good, you know. So I think for Shami banana leaf, I have to give a big thumbs up, because the biryani was one of the best biryani which I had in Singapore. It was so good. So now I'm gonna prepare my dinner. So I'll show you guys what I prepare. So yeah, let's see. For the dinner, I have planned to make a fish fry and a thoran. So this is seer fish, or like Spanish mackerel. In Tamil, it's called as vanjara mean. So here we can buy in pieces. Okay, so this one piece it costs for like $3.18, almost like 150 rupees. And then I'm gonna also make red cabbage thoran or poriyal. So first, for marinating the fish, I'm just crushing some ginger and garlic here, and I will add some masalas onto the fish. So this fish I'm just making for me alone, so I'm just randomly using all the masalas. There is no particular measurements here, so I'm just randomly adding some chili powder, turmeric powder, and this is coriander powder. And then I will add that crushed ginger garlic, and if you want you can also add lemon juice to it. Lemon juice gives a good flavor to the fish fry, so if you want you can add it. But today I don't have lemon juice with me, so I'm just adding only the other masalas. And here I have added some salt according to my taste, and mix all the masalas and just apply it on the fish. So after applying masalas onto the fish, it is really important that you need to keep it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So I have just applied the masalas and I just kept it on the fridge for 30 minutes, and then I will fry it in the oil, so it gives an amazing flavor and taste to the fish. So here I have just poured some oil, and then I'm placing the fish into it, and I will fry this for some 15 to 20 minutes in low flame, so probably 7 to 8 minutes for each side. So let this cook. It's like 8 to 9 minutes now, so I'm gonna turn the fish to the next side. Actually I have camera in one of my hands, so I couldn't do it properly, so you guys can slowly do it. Look at me how I did it. I just threw the fish. So yeah, you guys can slowly do that. So yeah, and again this side I'm just going to let it fry for another 7 to 8 minutes, so that it will be completely cooked. Finally our yum tasty fish fry is ready, and now I'm just gonna cook the red cabbage thoran or poriyal. For that I'm just pouring some oil on the pan, and I will add some mustard seeds to it, and then I will also add green chilies, and then according to your taste, okay, and then I will add onion, and then once after they are nicely fried I will add red cabbage to it. So when we compare the white cabbage with red cabbage, white cabbage cooks very fast when compared to the red one, because red one needs some time. So maybe 15 to 20 minutes for it to cook nicely, and you need to add some water to it as well. So here I have just fried the red cabbage in the oil for some 5 minutes, and then I'm adding the masalas, just salt and turmeric powder. That's it. I'm not gonna add any chili powder because already we have chili in it. So I'm just adding salt and turmeric powder. That's it. Again fry for 2 to 3 minutes just for the masala smell to go away, and then you can add water. So maybe 1 glass of water, and then just again fry it and keep it aside for 10 minutes. So after 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, this will be the consistency, and your red cabbage thoran is ready. It's very tasty, same like white cabbage. It doesn't have any special taste, but then this is also very healthy, so you can try this as well. So yeah guys, red cabbage thoran is ready. And for this, I'm also gonna use bread, and this is wheat bread. So I'm just gonna toast it and then I will have it. Actually, I wanted roti, but then I was really tired and lazy, so I thought of like eating with wheat bread. So here my wheat bread is ready and my dinner is also ready. So I have made wheat bread, red cabbage thoran, and fish fry. That's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you really did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.